friends, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I am Christina, a vegan girl.
And today we're going to talk about why it is important that you have a clear understanding about why you want to go vegan.
Here we go!
Know your why. Do you want to go vegan to lose weight? Or to heal a serious illness like cancer, diabetes, or arthritis? Or do you want to go vegan to prevent an illness? Or do you want to go vegan to gain better overall health and to be alive for your children,
That's me.
and your grandchildren, and be there for their graduation or their wedding? Or do you want to be vegan to help end this insane brutality against animals? Whatever the reason or reasons, write them down and review them often. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below. And be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye!